Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iMessage not working properly. So how to fix, first of all, go back your home screen and open your setting and tap on Wi-Fi, and from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection, turn off this toggle, and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that go back, scroll down and tap on message, and from here you guys can see iMessage toggle, turn off this toggle, and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that go back, scroll up and tap on Apple ID. From here you make sure that sign out your Apple ID, and after a few minutes you have again sign in, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on journal. From here you tap on date and time, and from here if the toggle turn off, what you need to do is turn on this toggle, and after that go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here you tap on again reset and tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, and after that tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.